On behalf of more than 300 Tropic Air employees, thank you for joining us this morning as we welcome the arrival of 3 factory new Cessna Grand Caravan EX aircraft into our fleet and into the Belizean skies. The arrival of these 3 aircraft is another step in an initiative that began last year with the delivery of 1 factory new aircraft and will culminate later this year with the arrival of yet another. In total, Tropic Air and Belize will have welcomed 5 brand new factory aircraft in a 12-month period. As the airline of Belize, and one that carries the greatest number of passengers to more destinations with the largest, youngest, and most modern fleet in the country, we understand that we also have a dual responsibility, and that is to both lead growth in our industries and to support growth across the country. So to every member of Tropic, whether you pilot our aircraft, sweep our floors, maintain our fleet, or help to serve our passengers, all of you are helping to meet the moment of achievement, and I sincerely thank you for that. And finally, to the millions of passengers who have trusted us before and continue to trust us today, to the students, doctors, teachers, visitors and workers, Belizeans and foreigners alike, to those who fly with us nearly every single day, and to those who may do so only once in their lives. As Tropic continues to grow, our team will continue to work to be worthy of the trust that you have put in us and to ensure your safety while you're in our care. Because ultimately, our promise is to safely connect Belize. That was true almost 50 years ago, and it remains consistent today.
Today's milestone is more than a celebration of Tropic Air. It is a celebration for Belize. It is a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together, united in our vision for a prosperous future. A future where very soon we will see additional aircrafts added to this fleet. This is the kind of forward thinking that is bold and that will see this industry and this airline continue to provide employment to more than 300 Belizean employees, working to move over 400,000 passengers yearly and over 400,000 packages annually.
In all honesty, I just wanted to thank all of you for all the work that's gone on in the past year and a half, and then especially the past 2 years. Everybody from Ravi to Dora to Monica to the maintenance team to the team that worked with customs, Cardi for going up there. There's a lot of people that were a part of this, and it really was a collective effort. We're going to be getting more aircraft next year, and we're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep investing into Tropic, but I just want to sincerely thank you all. When we were at International earlier this morning, one of the things that we talked about was our ability to meet the moment of challenge. And I really don't care if you're flying the aircraft or if you're sweeping the floor. It really is a collective effort.